Hey guys, welcome back to the wood shop. If you've seen any of my past videos, you've seen probably a couple on chisels. I've sort of had kind of a obsession with them. I don't know why. Regardless, I'd heard good things about Narex chisels, and of course, I had seen them with handles, and most of those ranged anywhere from $150 to $200, and I just didn't have the budget for that. And so I'd seen these Narex chisels. You buy them from Tay Tools or Amazon, but they're sold by Tay Tools, most of them anyway. And these come in a set of 6, or you can buy individual. I bought a set of 6. It is the chisel, but they do require handles. And so we're going to get back into a wood turning video. Normally I don't talk through those, and so I'm not going to do the whole video that way. So I just wanted to kind of catch up on what's going to go on. We're going to get this walnut, cut it down into blanks for these, so there is 6 of them. We'll cut those up on the bandsaw and the table saw. I will make them a little oversized just in case I kind of get off-centered or something like that, but we'll get these things cut up, get them on the lathe, and show you what they look like when we get done with them. guys, we're at the end of this little project here. I think these things turned out pretty awesome. Like I said, I've actually had these for a little while sitting around. I had so many projects come up that I couldn't get to these, and finally cleared some of those out and decided I was going to go ahead and work on these. Now, they did not turn out perfect. The shape, if you look extremely close, you can see one might be slightly made different, which that's fine. I'm fine with that. These are handmade. I'm proud of them. That's not to say I didn't have issues too, because I made an extra one. Was not filming that day, and I had doubts about this one. You can see some cracks. Hopefully, I was hoping we could get past those once we cut down, but it was not meant to be. You can see it tore a good chunk out of that one right there as I was getting to the end points, and so that didn't work out, so I had to make a new one. But anyway, we ended up with all 6 of them. Now, hopefully I told you about having I almost want to say a collection of chisels. I've got some of the Irwin Marples chisels. I've got some old beater Harbor Freight chisels, and even some Japanese chisels. And I have posted these on Facebook. A lot of people seem to like them. And the main thing for me is I post them on there not to brag about them or anything like that, or any project, but it's more to inspire you. My ultimate goal is maybe if you're on the edge of looking at maybe getting into woodworking, and possibly something like this may make you make that jump. You know, that's the ultimate goal for me. And I get a lot of messages or comments saying how somebody's wanting to make these themselves now that they've seen these. And that's the ultimate goal for me, is just, you know, maybe it'll inspire somebody else. And someone asked me on there too if I was going to be beating on these with a mallet and that kind of stuff. And, you know, these, in my opinion, are too nice for that. So these will be left more for paring down, not going to be beater chisels. That's what the old $10 Harbor Freight ones are for. But these are going to be the ones I handle with extreme care. So anyway, we're at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully, like I said, maybe it inspires you to go out and do your own. You can order these chisels. The Unhandled chisels is the one I ordered from Amazon or Tay Tools. Regardless, they come from the same place. If you buy them from Amazon, Tay Tools is a seller on there, so you're getting them from the same place essentially. But I think they turned out good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next video.